Good morning, everyone. Today, the January 5th. Yeah, we're almost finished the first week of January. And so it's 2 more days, we finished it. So anyway, first one we're going to take a look for today is HGTY. HGTY is one of American company and has American owner and get really good price right now. Is the highest one's 19.6 and lowest one's $9 and range around $2 every day, and we should buy and make profit on this one. Have to buy around $14 to under. And the cap is B, $1 billion company. So they get kind of good deal on this one, and the range is 16. If you buy it from 16, just buy a really small share and go down to 15 and go down to every order just drop like that 50 to 60 cents. And the order in the back have to buy more than in front. And when we look at the map on the screen right now, the map on the right show the direction. It's going up, and it's going up more, but we don't know. This is going to hit 18 again, or even though 20 like before. But that's why we have to really slow and careful where we set up the orders. When you set up the order, give you the result for your profit. Because when you set up an order and you went to the wrong direction, it didn't give you much profit. Everything is can fix, depend on you. Because like, let's say everyone buy the same stocks, but some people make good profits, some people don't make much, because how you buy is very important. And the second map on the left side is the layers, and we keep them safe on around the 3rd or the 4th layers, and we will sell on the 5th or the 6th. That's be perfect. And thin green line is showing like the middle line is desert line. We should buy around that area, be safe, and we sell is higher in that area. And now we will take a look of the live map. How is HGTY move? We show around 14. Now around 15.4. And please watch it, the volume, even though the price and the signal. The signal still kind of delay. Yeah, it's delay 0.03 second, the kind of delay. Nothing's on time. So around 16 is finally we have right now. So the second one we're going to take a look today is SSU. SSU is German company, German owner. We rather to hang around with American company in. I will not choose a company in California or New York, because the economy right now is went down so much and so bad, and everyone is going to leave, and they left already. Yeah, a lot of people, like a lot of people They lost over 100,000 people of each state. And exactly the number, how many people they lost, we have to wait till next year. And we come back for this one, SSU. SSU is in German, in Berlin. So we keep around $9. We buy to $7. Just be safe. I'm going to buy at $9.4, whatever, 5 or 10 share. And every 50 to 60 cents like that, I will buy more in the end. Like, let's say I will buy the first one is I buy 5 share, that's 9.4. But at 740 or 750, I'm going to buy 50 share. We have to set up the structure like that. So this is the B, just regular B, not B plus, because the cap is just 3.2 to 3.5 million dollars, and this one, the highest one is the 11, and 6 is lowest. And one day they can range around 60 to 70 cents. It's not that bad. So we can buy till 8.6 or to 7.5. That's the maximum for this one. If you buy lower than $7, that's just the waste. Now we take a look. The map on the right hand side showing the direction. The left is the price layers. So the direction is went down a little bit, and of course it's going to be down. That's why we will stop ahead, in front, or in the back, whatever when you want to think. But with me, we will stop them at 7.5 or 7.6 or 7.8. That's a good stop to talk about, because the direction map is showing is going to be lower and lower. But right now is the green line is a little bit high all the way up there. But anyway, we just be safe, because the way you think you safe, that's the way is make more money. Always. Even though one stock, it can cost like $30, $40, but you have to prepare till they go back to $25, $20. Because usually to win in this industry, you have to prepare when they drop 50%. Yeah. Remember, this is my knowledge and my experience. If you think it's not enough for you, go ahead. So I share what I buy, and you chose what you buy. So this is a life map direction. It was around $8, but sometimes they drop under 8, and right now is over 9. Now around $9. But look at the volume. It's moving. Not that bad. And the signal is delayed a little bit, but it still shows true. So now finally it's over 9. Now we will talk about a little bit for today, the stock market overview. The stock market overview today, we got SP 500 drop 0.06%. That's mean around around 3 point. SP 100 lost about 6.76, and Dow Jones gained up 214 points. So Nasdaq lost 210 points. Remember, 1 point on the market is $1 billion. Do not mess that up. And the stock overview today, let's say a lot of big stock like Google has been dropped as $2,887 a share, and Tesla dropped $50, 50.19, that's mean 4.18%. Then the volume was 38 million on that day. This means the volume for people buy and trade, buy and sell. Just only Force. Remember a few days ago I put the Force on, and the Ford company is create good EV car and send out really good model. You guys should do a research, or if you guys follow me, you may make really good profits on the Ford company right now. So anyway, the about corn and stuff, like it's not that much right now, but the Mexican peso went up a little bit and US dollar really stable. So thank you very much.